I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing better than having a good, beautiful, dependable bag at your side. And not many compare to this beautiful natural medallion backpack by the Sak. It is truly the bag that I want to have with me at all times. I absolutely love the beautiful crocheting detail to it. I can take it with me anywhere I go. It just goes with any outfit. It looks good even sitting on the ground. It has a spot for everything that I need. My pepper spray, my volunteer bag. It has a hook for your keys, 2 convenient pockets for hand sanitizer, earbuds, mints, and then it has a very convenient, easy to open pocket in the back that can fit your wallet. The flap is so sturdy and stable that no matter how hard you hit it, it is always going to fall down. I love the cool metallic bronze fabric underneath the crochet. Everything about this is just so well made. The removable strap, the hooks, and then the sewn straps are so sturdy. It just has such a natural, beautiful elegance to it, which just goes along so much with my personal sense of style. It goes with dressy casual if you're going to work or going out, if you're getting all dressed up for a party or a special event. It looks amazing. Or if you're in gym clothes, workout clothes, it goes with anything you're wanting to put on. I truly fell in love with this bag, and it doesn't matter what I'm wearing, what I'm doing, it's going to complete your outfit and carry everything that you need. And that's my point of view.